Amphenol Sine Systems AT-series cable assemblies are ideal in heavy-duty applications including transportation, marine, agricultural, and alternative energy. The AT-series cables are available in 2 to 12 positions with up to 15 amps current rating and a 300 volts DC voltage rating. These cable assemblies feature enhanced sealing protection, ergonomic grip design, and single-ended cord set standard lengths of 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, and 10 meters. The plug assemblies use a Structure Plus AT design that offers an engineered one-piece solid body construction specifically designed for cable assembly operations. Amphenol AT-series cable assemblies have an added connector structure that results in enhanced connection integrity, which is an essential component for connecting cables in harsh environments.